In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear your watch history on Amazon Prime Video. So first things first, open up a browser tab on your mobile device. This will not work on the Amazon Prime Video mobile app. And just Google Prime Video. Don't go to the URL just yet. When you do that, you'll see primevideo.com come up in the search results. You want to tap and hold on that URL and then say open in a new tab. That way it opens up in desktop mode and doesn't take you directly to the app. Once you've done that, you'll see a profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. Tap into the profile there and then go to sign in. And then just sign into your Amazon account here. Once you've signed into your Amazon Prime Video account, you will then see the option to tap on the profile image once more. Tap into the profile image again and go to Account and Settings. Once under Account and Settings, at the very top, you'll see all the different settings tabs. Just scroll to the right here until you get to about midway, and you'll see something that says Watch History. This is where you can go and basically manage and delete everything from your Amazon Prime Video watch history. Tap on Delete. And as you can see, it is removed from your watch history. So it says you may see it here for a few more days, but it will eventually in the next day or so, in my experience, be removed from your watch history. So again, you just tap delete just as you go down through here, and it will automatically remove things from your watch history. So if you're looking to manage it on Prime Video, you can just go here and you can do this on desktop from your computer as well. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.